Hey Wander Beauties, I'm Lindsay Ellingson.
And I'm Divya Gugnani.
And we are the co-founders of Wander Beauty, and we're going to share all of our favorite holiday kits with you guys.
So I'm going to kick it off with my absolute favorite, which is airplane mode. I want to give this to all my friends who travel all the time, and also my friends that go to the gym a lot, because those are the two places that I really use this the most. So what's really cute about this is that it's a reusable case.
The cutest
travel case. It's so cute, and
like it's
and no waste, right? Because if you get a box, you don't really use it. You always need something that you can put all your skincare and makeup in, and this is the perfect thing. And what I love about it is that you can actually customize it. This is my phone. I walk around with all these patches on it, and people always ask me like, oh my god, I love your patches. So you're getting some really cute patches, which Lindsay will show you.
Cute. So this one, which says airplane mode, which is the name of the kit. You have a little eye mask, a little globe, a little airplane, so you can customize the front of your kit or your phone.
Yes.
Whatever you prefer.
Secretly, you might end up using them on your phone, but I think it's great to use it either way. What I love about this kit is that it has all the essentials that I need for my daily skincare routine. So everything I need is in one place and a great size that I can travel with super easily, and I can also take this to the gym and use it. So I always start off with a drift-away cleanser. So in the morning, a little bit of cleanse, clean my face. In the evening, it's taking off every single piece, like iota of makeup on my face is completely gone.
Without stripping your skin.
Yeah, it melts makeup. Melts makeup.
Sulfate-free, coconut-derived surfactant, super gentle on the skin, but removes all traces of makeup.
I then usually go in with a dive-in moisturizer, which I love. It has 1% pentavitamin in it, which is going to actually hydrate your skin for 72 hours.
So, but it's so lightweight too.
Right.
So it's great for all skin tones, and especially this time of year when my skin's freaking out. It's
so
dry.
Everyone's
so
going to need
that extra hydration, and this is amazing.
My big thing is like also when I'm on a plane, my skin gets so dry, change of weather.
So the humidity is so much lower in a plane, so it's great to have all these products.
This is my go-to moisturizer for morning, under makeup, primes and preps your face for makeup. In the evening, I love it. Use it twice a day. Nothing better. At night, before I go to sleep, I use the Glow Ahead oil. You can see this really cute dropper tube. So I use this as the last step in my routine. This is powered with raspberry seed oil, which is incredible for really locking in moisture in your face. I love the natural scent. We don't use any synthetic fragrance, and I love actually smelling this before I hit the pillow at night. It helps relax me.
It is really relaxing.
Very relaxing. Gets me in the zone. My last step before everything's done. Then I have to show you something that I love, which is the Glow Getter Mist. I shake it up.
The mini is so cute. I've been dying for this mini.
Totally. This is
only get it in this kit.
Right, and it's Icelandic glacier water, so I love a midday mist moment. So I'm just gonna find this bump. So literally in the middle of the day, you will see me at my desk doing this. When I'm on a plane, I'm doing it. After a workout, I'm doing it. Before a workout, I'm doing it.
This is amazing.
In-flight essential, so
tons of skincare oils at the top, so you're getting lots of hydration. You can prep your skin for makeup, you can refresh your skin. It's just all around a great multitasker.
And then your baggage claim, which is going to depuff, brighten, and hydrate that under eye area with camu camu, pure vitamin C, amino acids. Amino acid, hyaluronic acid.
Favorite, and an Allure Best of Beauty winner right there.
Yes, totally.
Super exciting.
So airplane mode, you saw it here first. All my girlfriends who go to the gym and travel all the time are getting this from me for the holidays.
Next up, I'm going to share one of my favorite kits. It's called Prep and Set, and inside is all of your holiday party touch-up essentials. So this is super cute. Inside you have 2 Allure Best of Beauty winners. This is a big deal, guys.
This is major.
So this is our mini Play All Day translucent powder. Super cute. Just so you guys know, this is the full size. So it had a baby. It's so cute.
It had a baby, and the baby's damn cute.
It's really cute. So this is the little puff. Inside the puff, this is what makes this so innovative, is that powder is stored inside the puff. So it's perfect to absorb excess shine on the go, set your makeup, and keep all the glow in the right places. Okay, next up we have another Allure Best of Beauty winner. This is our Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These are amazing this time of year when we're busier than ever, so many events, and maybe your eyes need a little bit of a refresh. So
I call it coffee for my eyes.
Oh my god.
So people drink coffee in the morning and they feel like awake. I put these on my under eyes in the morning and I feel awake. I feel alive. I feel hydrated, depuffed, and brightened, and then I'm like ready to take on the day.
It's a miracle worker when you haven't had a lot of sleep or maybe your skin looks a little bit dehydrated. This is great. I leave these on for 15 minutes while I'm doing my makeup, And seriously, my under eyes look bouncier and a little bit like plumper. All those fine lines just kind of disappear.
I like it.
I love. Last but not least, in Prep and Set, you have our Lip Retreat Oil in shade Skinny Dip, which is our best-selling shade. So universally flattering. And I just love this formula. You get tons of hydration. It's actually a lip treatment. So there's avocado oil, apricot kernel oil, lots of great moisturizing ingredients for your lips.
And your lips, by the way, don't have any sweat glands, so they dry out way faster than the rest of your face, and so you want to keep them super hydrated. And I actually use Oasis overnight, and so I love the Skinny Dip. This is our most popular shade, which is a beautiful nude that can work for any skin tone.
So that's it. That's Prep and Set. What's next?
Next is Cloud 9. So I'm going to show you these mini bullets and swatch them, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the kit, which is a really cute little passport. So I'm going to start with shade Upgrade. There isn't a girl I know that doesn't love a good nude. This is a beautiful, beautiful nude. Every single shade, now this is global, so that was Upgrade and then global, and then I'm going to do this Nonstop, which is a really fun pop for a holiday color. It's kind of like a pinky red, but not a red. And then this is Getaway, which I actually wore the other night. So these shades are all shades that you're gonna live in. They're not, there's not one bad one in the bunch. So it's not like that crazy shade that you're never gonna wear. A lot of times when you buy a lip kit, there's like 2 or 3 that collect dust in your bathroom.
Especially during the holidays.
Yeah,
tons of red.
None of these are collecting dust. So smoky eye, you're going with your really nice nude and neutral. You're doing like something really fun, pop of color. You've got that going on with Nonstop and Getaway. And so it's very versatile, really works for a lot of, we tested on so many women, of so many different ages and also skin colors. And so we drew the inspiration from them.
Inside the kit, you also have a cute little mirror foam grip. Let's see if I can get this out. There we go. So this is your mirror foam grip, super cute. So just pop this on the back of your phone and you can apply your lipstick on the go. So easy. Well, I guess you have to use it like that because there's a little mirror there and it says gorgeous on the go. Super cute, super giftable. This is definitely a kit that I would get for my sisters, my friends, because all these shades are so wearable and it's shades that you're gonna reach for every event this holiday season.
And it's a cute little passport with a mirror in it, which you're really you're gonna use this mirror, I promise. You're gonna put it on your phone and you're gonna use it when you're on the go applying makeup and skincare.
Yep.
It happens.
And finally, so this is our best value kit, one that I'm really excited about.
She's all about the eyes.
I'm all about the eyes. I'm actually wearing every product in this kit right now. So this is our after party eye kit, and this is so beautiful. Inside you have 5 multitaskers, which are all for the eyes. So we have the Mile High Club Mascara, which is again a Allure Best of Beauty winner. This is going to give you dramatic volume and length even in just one swipe. I'm wearing it today. It's pretty amazing. This is like my special occasion mascara because if I wear this every day, it's just like so much drama.
I'm wearing it today.
This is exactly what I want during holidays. And then you also have this mini Wondrous palette,
which is gorgeous. VIP, bubbly, and gala. You can see right here. This is what I call like a clutch palette or like a pocket palette. Cute. I can literally stick this in my purse or a clutch or my back pocket and have versatile looks. You can make so many different looks with these 3 shades and perfect for holiday.
I love this duochrome shadow. So that's bubbly, which I'm wearing today. So I layered actually Gala all over my lids and then I put bubbly in the kind of in the crease, so I have this nice like sparkle effect, and then if I turn my head it goes from gold to pink.
It's duochrome, so really different finishes in here to add different types of looks and really get that excitement and dimension for holiday.
Then we also have our Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow in Champagne Falls, and this is a great shade. There's so many things that you can do with this formula. So you can use it as actually an eye primer, so you can put this all over your lids and then use your eyeshadow after just to kind of lock everything in place. You can use this as a highlighter, tap it on your cheekbones. I know that looks great on you.
What I do. So this is the way I use this. I mean, I like it as shadow, but I will say, I'm gonna steal a mirror from you. I will say there's nothing I like more than actually just dotting it here on my high points.
Yeah,
and
gives
tapping
you like
it in.
A nice intense strobe, but still like so natural. There's aloe water in this formula, so it's actually really soothing. So you're also getting 2 eyeliners. So this is our Highline Liquid Eyeliner. This is an intense glossy black formula. Just look at that pigment, it's amazing and so glossy and it really lasts. And this tip right here is so precise. So even if you are not good at applying your wings like me,
I call this idiot-proof liquid liner.
Really is.
This
It
is
makes it
literally
so
idiot-proof
easy.
liquid liner. Like
I
if
did
you're
it today.
struggle with liquid liner,
Yeah.
this is a really great.
it's great for beginners,
Tool,
but it
yeah.
like works like a pro because you get that intense pigment and it really does last. So that's great. And then you're also getting the fifth product is our slide liner gel eyeliner in Tan Line.
I'm actually
so
wearing
this is
that
a
today.
great like bronzy, smudgy eyeliner that you can really get into your lash line,
Yeah.
intensify that definition, that volume. It's so pretty. And there's a little bit of a pearl in the formula as well. 5 amazing eye products. Again, this is After Party Eye Kit. So that's pretty much all of our holiday kits. We also have lots of great bundles on the site. We have this cute new makeup bag. We have our off-duty sweatshirts, tons of giftable items on the site. And you can never go wrong with a gift card or
Yes.
a box of baggage claim. So
That means I need to
definitely-
know now go and get gifted.
Yes,
Time to get
exactly.
gifted.
I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season and I hope you guys go to wanderbeauty.com and check out all of these great gifts.
Happy holidays.